I would like to talk to you today about vaccines and why sometimes we need boosters. As of right now, 84% of eligible Canadians have received 2 doses and are considered fully vaccinated against SARS-CoV-2. But only 45% have received the additional booster dose. Vaccines prepare your immune system against infection by a particular pathogen. There are vaccines against viral and bacterial pathogens. In the case of bacterial pathogens, sometimes we use a weakened form of the bacteria, but we also use vaccines that target toxins that the bacteria makes, like the tetanus vaccine. Let's take it back a little. When a pathogen enters your body, your immune system will attack that pathogen directly, but also direct cells to create antibodies against that pathogen. Depending on how efficient your immune system is and how effectively the antibodies fight the pathogen, you may or may not develop symptoms. The antibodies created by the infection will remain in your body and act kind of like a security guard. The next time you get infected, your immune system will react more quickly and more efficiently, and hopefully you won't get sick at all. Vaccines work because of this function of the immune system. Vaccines introduced a killed, weakened, or partial version of the pathogen into your body. Most recent vaccines contain modified messenger RNA to get our cells to make a protein almost identical to what is found on the virus. And they do not contain any live virus at all. Our immune system will recognize the antigen from the pathogen, even though it will not make us sick. Our immune system will make antibodies against the pathogen. You gain future immunity against a disease without having gotten sick or infected with the pathogen. When you do get infected, your body will recognize the pathogen and fight it off much faster and much more efficiently. You may have heard that vaccines might not be 100% effective and that their efficacy can wane over time. The truth is, nobody's perfect. Vaccines are designed to create an immune response in an individual, but not everybody's immune system reacts the same way. In some cases, a person's immune system might not generate an adequate response. The rate at which a pathogen replicates will affect how well a vaccine works. It still takes time for our immune system to respond to a pathogen. Being vaccinated means that our bodies should respond more quickly, but if the virus is capable of getting into our cells and replicating faster than our body can fight the disease, we could still get sick. Scientists do not fully understand why the length of acquired immunity varies with different vaccines. Some vaccines can confer lifelong immunity with 1 dose. Some after a series of doses. Some require boosters to maintain immunity. That's the case for the vaccines against the coronavirus. We'll get to that later. Persistence of immunity against a particular disease might be related to how quickly a disease infects us and passes through our body. If a disease progresses through our body rapidly, our immune system's memory cells might not have an adequate amount of time to respond to the infection, unless the body has been reminded of the disease lately. Boosters are a way of reminding your immune system and keeping your antibody-producing cells on guard. If you've managed to evade infection long enough, your body won't see the disease as a threat anymore, and you won't have watchdog antibodies in high enough numbers to fight the infection quickly and effectively. Some pathogens, like the flu, change frequently, and we need vaccines every year to protect us against the most prevalent strain. This could be what happens eventually with SARS-CoV-2. Getting a booster of either of the approved mRNA COVID-19 vaccines will increase your body's immunity back up to levels first seen after the original 2 doses. The 3rd dose provides rapid and substantial protection against mild and severe illness caused by SARS-CoV-2. I hope this was useful in boosting your understanding about the importance of an additional dose of vaccines. Thanks for watching.